Today, we're diving into a super helpful guide on how to install the Play Store on your Huawei device.
It's not a game, it's a rich game.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super helpful guide on how to install the Play Store on your Huawei device. If you're missing the Google Play Store, stick around as I show you a safe and easy way to get your favorite apps back. Downloading the APK. Let's get started. Open the browser on your Huawei device and head over to the Aurora store. I'll put the link in the description below and pin the first comment. Download the Aurora Store APK file from there. Now open. Use the search bar to find any app you want. It's just like using the Google Play Store. Simple and select the app and hit download. Easy, right? So there you have it, folks. The full process to install the Aurora Store on your Huawei device. It's quick, it's easy, and it brings back the joy of having all your favorite apps at your fingertips. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Have any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Keep exploring, keep installing, and stay Usman for you.